Hello everyone! Today I'm going to demonstrate how a thermostat works using a simple setup involving a heat gun and cold water. A thermostat is a crucial device in regulating temperature, commonly used in engines. Let's dive in. Hi viewers! Today I'm going to demonstrate how thermostat works. A thermostat operates based on temperature changes. Inside, it typically contains a temperature-sensitive element, often a wax pellet, that expand or contract with heat or cold. This movement opens or closes a valve to regulate the flow of air, water, or coolant, maintaining an optimal temperature. Now, let me show you how this works in practice. I have a thermostat here, and I use a heat gun to stimulate a rise in temperature, and cold water to stimulate a drop in temperature. First, I use a heat gun to warm up thermostat. As this heats up, the wax inside expands, pushing the mechanism that mimics open a valve. Watch closely as this happens. See how it opens. This allows hot coolant or air to flow, preventing overheating. Now, let's cool it down. Pouring a cold water over the thermostat causes the wax to contract, closing the valve to retain heat. This happens in real-life system to maintain efficient during the colder conditions. There you have it. The thermostat responds dynamically to change in temperature. In summary, the thermostat is a simple yet essential device that uses thermal expansion and contraction to regulate temperatures. This demonstration shows how it reacts to the heat and cold to keep system running efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you understand this fascinating science behind the thermostat. Please like and subscribe my channel.